everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. I really appreciated you watching my videos. Thank you for the 90 subscribers I have. I really appreciate that. It's very nice. Thank you very much. I want to clear up a few things. First, I do not own an electric car, even though I'm a big fan of it. I'm driving a stupid fossil. Yuck. And I also I did not order a Hyundai Kona Electric. I would love to have one. I don't know if I can afford it. I have to talk to the dealership and everything, maybe leasing. But I will. When I say I will get the car in the previous videos, I mean that I will get to test drive it for 2 or 3 days. So I still haven't heard anything back when the car will arrive, so I can drive it. I still don't know if I can drive the kilometers that I would like to drive, so I can make lots of videos. I have ideas for 21 videos. I really want to go into detail with the car, and I also don't know which version they will get. So if they get the smaller battery, then most of the videos are for nothing. I don't even know if I want the car then. If they don't get the premium edition, then it's sad, because I would have wanted to make a video about the head-up display, and I want to test the ventilated seats, because that sounds interesting. But I can tell you a few ideas that I have for videos. So 2 road trips. I want to go to Prague and back, which is 420 to 440 kilometers, depending how I do it. And that's taking it far with the car, but in the Czech Republic, highway speed is 90 kilometers per hour, and there's a few cities in there, and only 40 or 50 kilometers of highway driving. So maybe if I still drive 90 on the highway, maybe I can do it. I think I could do it. So I want to try that. That will be a great video. Then I will take a road trip to a 175 kilowatt charger. The Kona will charge with 70 kilowatt there, and I want to film charging from as low as I can possibly get. I don't think I will get under 5%. I would love to do that, but this charger is on the highway, so I have to drive a stretch of 10 kilometers on the highway, and I cannot have turtle mode on the highway. There will be disaster and fine and police and everything if I get stranded. Oh my god. So I don't know how risky this is and how I will do that. But okay, then I want to film charging it on a normal 50 kilowatt charger. Then acceleration tests, of course, acceleration in different modes, because we have Eco, Comfort, Eco Plus and Sport. Then I want to show the differences with the features, with the Trend, Style and Premium. What's the difference between those things? Show the different drive modes, show the lights inside and outside. I want to show every button, explain it. I read the manual in detail a few times. I want to explain all the settings. I want to explain the navigation, so that the screen in the middle with all the settings that you have there. I want to show that. Everything on the outside, what it is, what it does, everything on the inside. I want to test all the region levels, so I want to go 100 kilometers, put it in region 1, see how long it takes to 60 kilometers, and with all the regions they have, even the one pedal driving that it has now. And what else do we have? Utility mode. I want to test this, head-up display, the instrument cluster, of course. Then consumption with at 100 kilometers per hour, 130, 150. So I want to do a little stretch on the highway and drive that way and then that way, but I will only use the consumption when I'm driving the 100 kilometers, not the acceleration to this. And then real-time consumption from 60 to top speed of 170s, likes and don'ts, and then the best speed for long speed traveling. The same video that I did for the Renault Zoe, but then for the Kona, and then for 50 kilowatt charging and 70 kilowatt charging. So when you have it on a big charger. So that will be very interesting. I'm looking forward to that. And hopefully premium and big battery. Well, premium automatically has the big battery. I hope it's the premium car. I really want it. And hope it's soon. It's getting hard to wait. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. I will keep you updated if I know anything, if they tell me when I can have the car. Bye.